today's video, nag-fit tayo ng mga damit na dala natin galing Pilipinas. So this is one of my favorite inner. Naka-jumper ka lang. Ayan. Yan ang looks niya. So yan ang looks niya. Tada! Mga napili natin lalabhan ngayon. Diba? Cute lang. Moana is ready! Let's go, ka-blessed! Ang bata natin ready! Daddy is ready! I'm gonna call Sugar later way back. Or just leave her at this.
Mom, I will show my kuya, my beach. My swimming beach.
Yeah, let's show Kuya the beach.
Yeah.
When Kuya is coming here, then you can play with Kuya into the beach and Kuya start running because it's too cold.
Remember, I know I wade, float, and sink.
Oh, you are floating and sinking?
Yes.
Anyway, we saw guys home, sweet home. Yes. So you have a nice place, good spot anyway. Turning right. Papunta na itong Windy Harbor. Ang Windy Harbor is past Northcliffe. Tsaka umaambon pa. Talaga naman. Kahapon, hindi kami umalis kasi nga ang init naman. So that's why we opened the camping trailer. And now naman, it's drizzle. Ang maliligo og dagat, tulog. Ado. Katulog siya. Akala ko siya nagising. Bad weather at Windy Harbor. Tingnan mo naman yan. Dito na tayo ka Blessed. Ayan na yung beach. Yan, mahangin. Windy nga. Gising na yung bata natin. Yeah.
Mama. Mommy.
Come on, let's go here. Yeah?
Don't walk on the road.
Oh yeah. We are not allowed to walk on the road.
Yes. And then wait when the red light says stop, when the green light says go.
Okay. But there is no traffic light here.
Dada!
Naihi pa daddy mo eh. Wow. May lamesa kasi dito eh. Yan.
Wow.
You miss this place?
Yes.
Yeah, you miss the place.
I like my kuya.
When your kuyas are here, you can show them here, okay? Yeah. Yan, pwede ka makaupo dyan.
Forgot to bring our jacket.
Tell daddy, go back. Tell daddy.
No, Daddy's going to leave it first.
Look at that. Walang katao-tao. Mamaya bababa tayo doon. Lalakad lang.
Up on the higher one.
Yay. Let's go ocean. Kablasen. Si Moana hindi pa bis. May maka-action eh. Oh, you're teaching daddy. We are drowning, sinking. Our slipper is sinking because we are getting heavy. Because Moana eating a lot. So first time namin pumunta dito ka Blessed. For 1 year naming tumira dito. Ngayon lang kami nagpunta mismo dito. Mostly doon lang kami sa car park. But today, let's make it happen. Kasi wala naman katao-tao. Why not? Give a try. Papunta pa lang to exercise na. So hanggang tayo galing, doon yung car naka-parking. Oh, there's a seat pala. Oh, that's nice. Si Moana is disappearing. Pagkabihis niya eh. Lumipad agad. Wait! Hey! Bag in the middle. Let's go the tip. Okay. Wow. It's wild. Yeah, it's wild. Tagadala ng bag. Just go with Daddy, okay? Go with Daddy. Don't walk alone. Uh-oh, the water is coming. Water is coming. Watch out. Naabutan na sila ng tubig doon. Oh, tingnan mo. Diba? Pasikat ang tubig. Baka balusan may tao. dalawa. So, andito tayo sa kabilang side ng beach. Saan malaking mga bato. Sablaan Pafagang. Hindi may ano dyan, parang angkla ng bangka. Ayan oh. So, ibig sabihin may mga bangka dito. No? Yeah. See? Maybe they're strapping themselves before they get in. Yeah. Moana, careful the water. You can turn around, up. Wow. Careful, too many ants. Tapos na tayo sa ating pa-beach walking. Walang nakaligo. Kasi bawal liguan, risky. So it's time to go home. At least you have relaxing day. Walking.
little ones.
Oh yes, with babies. A boar. Yeah, a boar. Baboy damo, it's yummy. Sarap lagyan ng tanglad at saka it's nice to put ginger and how do you call it? Lemongrass. Kalami. Wow, baboy damo. Nakita niyo yun? Sana na-film ko ng maayos, no? Ang galing. We're back in Northcliffe again. Not now. The playground is wet. Ito yung dating 100 years na anniversary ng Northcliffe. Hindi tayo makadaan kay Miss Barbara kasi meron siyang bisita at the moment. So, I hope bukas magsimba siya para may bigay natin ng bag para sa kanya. Natin ng bibidyohan natin ang bahay ni Kai.
Which way we go?
Go.
That way.
Yes, that way.
And we go up all the way we go.
Guys, house. Good thing no more car next to us. Tada! This is Kai's house, mga kablessed. Ito trabaho namin. Diyan sana kami nung bago kami umuwi ng Pilipinas. But since hindi nagkatugma ang mga schedule at that time si Jenny may pasok pa. So hindi natuloy ang get together namin. Ang aming party. Nakakatawa kasi may dress code sana kami sa party. Yung flowery. Flowers. So, see you later mga ka-blessed. September 2 na tayo. What are you eating? Lollipop. Okay.
Want some?
You want some?
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. September 2 na tayo ka-blessed. Dumaanan si Daddy sa IGA. Bumili ng bacon. Baka nag-crave siya ng bacon. Ako okay na ako sa itlog at kanin. Ang bata natin kumakain pa din siya ng chocolate. We are home na ka-blessed. Yes? Yeah. Enjoy your vacation in the Philippines. God bless you and your family. Love, David and Rosie.
Alright, Mom.
So, let's cook. Ito yung bacon na binili niya. Kasi gusto niya mag-bacon.